Now here I have a Powermac G4 AGP graphics. Sorry about the video quality. It's my first video and I'm using my mobile phone to actually film it. So what I'm going to be showing on this Mac is how to install a memory upgrade on this Mac. It's pretty simple, and this is the, like I said, about Powermac AGP graphics model. It's a dual processor one, 450 megahertz, and I'm going to be putting in 2 memory modules, and they're going to be going into the slots here. And as you can see, here are the memory modules, and they are Kingston G4 128 megabyte RAM, PC 100 memory RAM, and I'm going to be putting in 2 of them. So bear with me as I'm going to be holding it with one hand, the camera, and putting in the RAM with the other. Just 1 second. So here I've got the RAM now, and as you can see, I'm putting it into the slots like so, and giving it a little push, and that's it. It goes in. You can obviously do it a bit more gentle than me. Would always be handy, but as I'm a natural at it, goes right in. So there you go, and that's it. Thank you very much, and that's that done. As you can see, it's pretty simple. You just have to, these things go in and out like the other one as well, and that's it, done.